Good morning, everyone. Anfield Index have covered a story which is originated from Team Talk, so take this one lightly. We are apparently a serious target for signing Rafael Leao from AC Milan. Right, let's have a look. Because according to this, Liverpool are considering an approach for AC Milan's Rafael Leao after AC Milan set an enticing price tag for him amid Barcelona interest. So that is the story Team Talk are going with. So according to this, they are ready to cash in on the player, and the reason for this is Milan's financial situation. The player does have a release clause of €175 million, which will be close to £150 million. That will be activated this summer, but they've set an asking price of €100 million, which will be... let me check that for you. Just check both those figures. So it's 146 million for the release clause this summer, and they will supposedly let him available for £83 million. It says that their Champions League hopes are fading, so they're going to generate funds by selling assets. They also expect Theo Hernandez to depart, and Leao could be the next on the door, which is where we're supposedly going to come in. And the reason we'd probably be linked with him is Diaz could be going. We don't know. Barcelona probably wouldn't be able to do a deal for Leao. I mean, they may not be struggling financially, but they still have the 1-to-1 rule in Spain. This could be one worth watching, though there's no guarantee Diaz will go, and if he does, there's no guarantee we'll go for Leao for 80 million when there are possibly other targets such as Jamie Gittins, who I touched on yesterday, being available for close to half that price. But thank you very much. Take care.